Got rid of my camo pants for this one, booties. We have Mr. Sam Tsui here. He's my friend and the artist of this song, so make sure you stream it. His links are below. Now get ready to feel your fantasy by taking your right arm out, now slow. Yes.
All right.
Oh, I've been so cold. Speed it up again. Slow. Faster. Keep it up, take it high. Low. Almost forgot that. Take it up. Take it low. Sit low and think now. Point, lower. Woo, you didn't think you'd get lower, did you? Point. Oh my gosh, you're so flexible.
I can drop it.
Out. In. Bebop right. Bebop. Take it left. Just a little faster. Now right foot. Woo, take it out. To the left. Again. Take it right. Yes. Just chill. Whew. Chill.
Picture.
Can you give me a pose?
Make it last longer.
Left. It's tricky, it's different that time. Speed it up.
Make a man strong.
Higher.
Try to give you the best of me.
Low. See, I did forget it. Again, take it up.
Dress it up in a fantasy.
Low. Sit, think.
Stuck in my head, but I always feel better when I put on my coat.
Can your butt touch the ground?
Almost.
Again.
Face in the mirror, I feel myself falling back down into those old habits.
Practice step, out right foot, and open.
I think I'm gonna spend tonight in my shining armor.
Bebop.
I'm stuck in my head again, oh, but whenever I fall into these old habits.
Speed it up, go. Woo! Woo! We're getting low. I feel like an ice skater. Shimmy. Out. Slide.
Kissing goodbye, old habits.
Slide. Step, flick. Pull, open, slide. Step, flick. Pull, open. 4 more times. This is the hardest thing you'll do today. Pull, open. Ha. Rock low. Woo. Can you get lower? Bring it up. Pose. Hey! Woo! Woo! I'm watching you, Sam. Come on. Shimmy. Shimmy. Last time, grab your jacket. Hey.
Old habits. Now I'm in my gold jacket.
Oh, I should not have done legs yesterday. Oh my God.
How do you do that?
Woo! Thank you guys so much for dancing with us. Again, stream Sam's song on Spotify. He's going on tour.
Yes.
Check his Instagram, socials, everything is below, and we will see you guys in the next video. Let's keep dancing. Bye.